BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Buyer's Guide Best Adventure Motorcycle $21,265 MSRP. Without any doubt, the 2020 BMW R 1250 GS Adventure is the big daddy of ADV motorcycles. Thanks to its reliability, capabilities, and BMW's global network, it is the choice of continent-crossing adventurists around the world. The latest 1,254 cubic centimeters shift cam boxer is the most powerful yet in the flagship GS, putting out over 105 ft-lbs of torque at 6,250, plenty of grunt for any off-road excursion. On the highway, 136 horsepower at 7,750 rpm means effortless high-speed cruising. BMW gives the R 1250 GS Adventure long travel suspension for aggressive runs across the Serengeti. Over 8 inches of travel are moderated with a single shock at both ends, with the BMW Telelever set up in the front and a shaft-friendly Paralever in the rear. The 19-17-inch wheel combo is a good choice for the 591-pound motorcycle, with its cavernous 7.9-gallon fuel tank filled. The 2020 BMW R 1250 GS Adventure is highly customizable, with the $3,500 premium package providing a great start. It gets you additional ride modes, dynamic electronic suspension, high-end traction control and ABS, an up/down quickshifter, cruise control, and extra lighting. If you want more style, there's the option 719 Billet Pack Classic, $2,700, and the HP Billet Pack, $2,700. BMW R 1250 GS Adventure specs. Engine type: horizontally opposed twin. Displacement: 1,254 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke: 102.5 by 76 millimeters. Maximum power: 136 horsepower at 7,750 rpm. Maximum torque: 105 ft-lbs at 6,250 rpm. Top speed: over 125 miles per hour. Compression ratio: 12.5 to 1. Valvetrain DOHC W/dual profile cams for VPC. Cooling: liquid and air. Transmission: constant mesh 6-speed W/helical gear teeth. Clutch: hydraulically actuated slipper. Final drive: shaft. Chassis. Frame: continuous tubular steel bridge type. Front suspension: travel, BMW Telelever 37mm fork with central spring strut, 8.3 inches. Rear suspension: travel, BMW Evo Paralever and W80 strut with spring-preload and rebound-damping adjustable shock, 8.7 inches. Wheels: wire spoke. Front wheel: 3.00 by 19. Rear wheel: 4.50 by 17. Front tire: 120/70x19. Rear tire: 170/60x17. Front brakes: dual floating 305mm discs W/4 piston fixed calipers. Rear brake: 276mm disc with dual piston floating caliper. ABS: standard, defeatable. Dimensions: wheelbase: 59.2 inches. Rake: 24.5 degrees. Trail: 3.6 inches. Seat height: 35.0 and 35.8 inches, standard choices, 32.3 inches optional. Fuel capacity: 7.9 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption: 50 miles per gallon. Curb weight: 591 pounds. BMW R 1250 GS Adventure prices and colors. 1. Ice Gray, $20,690. 2. Exclusive Style, Kalamata Metallic Matte, $21,190 MSRP. 3. HP Style, Light White/Racing Blue. Metallic/Racing Red, $21,265 MSRP.